Police identified female who was killed yesterday in an altercation in Spalding, Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have identified the woman who was fatally stabbed after she allegedly attacked another female with a knife in Spalding at the border of Clarendon and Manchester on Friday. The police named the deceased as 26-year-old Jerdene Grant, otherwise called Kim, a resident of Cobbla. A police report issued said that shortly after 2 p.m., Grant was allegedly armed with a knife and pounced upon a woman. A tussle ensued and the woman managed to disarm Grant and inflict stab wounds using the said knife that she had. Grant was taken to the Spalding Percy Jr. Hospital where she succumbed to her injuries while undergoing treatment. The woman was taken into custody pending further investigation by the Spalding's police. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.